Sleep is a critical component of our health and well-being. It rejuvenates our body, helps in the repair of tissue, and consolidates our memories, playing a crucial role in our cognitive functions. Neglecting sleep can lead to serious consequences, including increased stress, weakened immunity, and impaired judgment. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to various psychological disorders, including depression and anxiety. Good sleep is a cornerstone of emotional stability and mental clarity, helping us to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook on life. Research has consistently shown that adults require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to function optimally. However, the quality of sleep also matters. Achieving deep, uninterrupted sleep cycles is key to harnessing the full benefits of our nightly rest. Implementing changes can lead to significant improvements in both physical and mental health, enhancing overall quality of life. Sleep is governed by two main processes, the circadian rhythm and sleep homeostasis. The circadian rhythm syncs with environmental cues like light and darkness to regulate when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy. Sleep homeostasis tracks the amount of sleep we've had versus how much we need, compelling us to sleep longer and more deeply after periods of sleep deprivation. The brain cycles through various stages of sleep throughout the night, each serving unique functions. For instance, deep sleep is crucial for physical recovery and memory consolidation, while REM sleep helps in emotional regulation and learning. Hormones play a significant role in sleep regulation. Melatonin increases in the evening to promote sleepiness and decreases with the morning light. Understanding these mechanisms is the first step toward improving sleep. By aligning our habits with our body's natural rhythms, we can enhance sleep quality. Creating a sleep-conducive environment is crucial for good sleep hygiene. The ideal sleeping space is cool, quiet, and dark. A lower temperature helps decrease the body's core temperature, signaling it's time to sleep. Reducing noise and light can prevent disruptions and promote a deeper sleep state. The quality of your mattress and pillows can also significantly affect sleep quality. An uncomfortable mattress can lead to body aches and prevent you from falling into deep sleep. Investing in good quality sleep paraphernalia is not a luxury, but a necessity for fostering optimal sleep. Soft, calming colors like blues, greens, or earth tones can help soothe the mind and prepare it for rest. Clutter can be a source of stress and distract from the calm needed to fall asleep, so keeping your sleeping area tidy and minimalistic is advisable. Ensuring good ventilation and perhaps using an air purifier can help reduce allergens and optimize the sleep environment. Adhering to a consistent sleep schedule is one of the most effective ways to improve sleep quality. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps to reinforce your body's sleep-wake cycle. Pre-sleep routines are equally important. Engaging in relaxing activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. It's also beneficial to limit stimulating activities before bed. This includes avoiding intense exercise, heavy meals, and emotional discussions, as they can produce endorphins or stress hormones that counteract sleepiness. A morning routine that exposes you to natural light can help adjust your circadian rhythm. Consistency in these routines not only improves sleep quality but also enhances overall daily functioning. What you eat can significantly impact how well you sleep. Certain foods and beverages have properties that can enhance or disrupt sleep. Foods rich in magnesium and potassium such as bananas and almonds can help relax the muscles and nerves, promoting a smoother transition into sleep. Complex carbohydrates like whole grains and fresh vegetables can also aid in sleep. They help increase the level of tryptophan in the brain, which the body converts into serotonin and melatonin, both of which are crucial for sleep regulation. It's wise to avoid heavy, rich foods, spicy dishes, citrus fruits, and carbonated drinks close to bedtime, as they can cause indigestion and discomfort. Caffeine and alcohol warrant caution as well. Caffeine, a stimulant, can keep you awake if consumed too late in the day. Although alcohol might help you fall asleep faster, it significantly reduces the quality of sleep. Balancing fluid intake throughout the day and reducing it in the hours before sleep can help mitigate frequent awakenings. Light exposure plays a pivotal role in regulating our sleep patterns. The blue light emitted by screens can be particularly disruptive. This type of light is especially effective in suppressing melatonin production, thereby delaying sleep onset and reducing sleep quality. To combat the effects of blue light, it's advisable to use devices with night settings that minimize blue light exposure in the evening. Alternatively, wearing blue light blocking glasses can be an effective measure. Making it a habit to turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime can also help your body prepare for sleep. Using dimmer switches or low-wattage bulbs can create a more relaxing atmosphere. Blackout curtains or heavy blinds can block outside light, useful especially in urban settings. Managing light exposure not only at night but also during the day can greatly improve sleep duration and quality. Regular physical activity is widely known to promote good health, and its benefits extend to improving sleep. Exercise can help expedite the time it takes to fall asleep and increase the duration of deep sleep. However, the timing of exercise can be crucial. Engaging in vigorous activities too close to bedtime can lead to difficulties in falling asleep. Moderate intensity activities, such as walking or light cycling, are ideal for boosting sleep quality. Yoga and stretching can be particularly effective before bedtime. These gentle forms of exercise promote relaxation and help relieve the physical and mental stress that can accumulate throughout the day. Practices such as yoga also focus on controlled breathing, which can reduce heart rate and blood pressure, further aiding the sleep process. Overtraining can increase cortisol levels, which may disrupt sleep. Listening to your body and incorporating rest days allows for recovery and ensures that exercise remains a beneficial part of your sleep hygiene regimen. Stress is one of the most common obstacles to a good night's sleep. Techniques to manage stress are therefore critical in improving sleep quality. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to significantly reduce stress and anxiety, which can facilitate deeper and more restful sleep. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and accepting it without judgment. Practicing mindfulness through guided imagery, breathing exercises, or meditation apps can help calm the mind and prepare it for sleep. Regular practice can reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and prevent middle-of-the-night awakenings. Writing down worries or stressful thoughts before bed can help clear your mind and ease the transition into sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation is another method that can help alleviate stress before bed. Integrating these stress reduction techniques into your nightly routine can lead to significant improvements in sleep quality and duration. While technology can interfere with sleep, it can also be harnessed to improve it. Setting boundaries with these devices is crucial for maintaining healthy sleep patterns. One effective strategy is to use technology to your advantage by leveraging apps designed to enhance sleep. There are numerous apps available that offer features like sleep tracking, meditation guides, and ambient sounds, all aimed at improving sleep quality. However, it's important to use these tools wisely and ensure they do not become a source of distraction themselves. The bedroom should be a technology-free zone as much as possible. Keeping televisions, computers, and work materials out of the bedroom can reinforce the association between this space and sleep. If it's necessary to have a phone nearby, using features like Do Not Disturb or airplane mode can minimize disruptions. While technology offers useful tools for improving sleep, it's crucial to maintain a balance and prioritize good sleep hygiene over gadget dependency. While lifestyle adjustments and environmental changes are the most recommended ways to improve sleep, some may turn to sleep aids for assistance. It's important to understand the types, benefits, and potential risks associated with these aids before incorporating them into your routine. Over-the-counter, OTC sleep aids are widely available but should be used sparingly. These typically contain antihistamines which can induce drowsiness. However, they may lead to side effects like daytime drowsiness, dizziness, and cognitive impairment. Prescription sleep medications offer another level of aid but come with their own risks, including dependency and withdrawal symptoms. These should only be used under direct medical supervision and typically as a short-term solution. Natural remedies such as herbal teas or essential oils like lavender have been used for centuries to promote relaxation and sleep. Understanding the full scope of sleep aids and their appropriate use can contribute to a more informed approach to improving sleep. Improving sleep is not merely about one-time adjustments but about embracing a lifestyle that promotes restful nights consistently. The journey to better sleep involves understanding the underlying science, making informed choices about your environment, and adopting habits that align with natural sleep rhythms. The tips and strategies discussed throughout this essay are meant to serve as a foundation for developing a personalized sleep routine. Experimenting with different approaches and being mindful of what works for you is key. Remember, the benefits of good sleep extend into all areas of life, enhancing physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Embrace these practices and unlock the door to better sleep tonight and every night thereafter.